Okay, my beautiful friends, here we go. It's Friday. Friday already. All right. Anyway, this year is just flying by. I cannot believe that it's September 25th. September 25th, 2020. Let's talk. So let me start off with this. As all of you know that follow this blog, we are in an economic free fall. An economic free fall with no end in sight. It's only going to get worse, in my opinion, as we are in a deliberately induced economic shutdown. And this is a global phenomenon. It's a scam on the order of magnitude that is hard to get your head around. Okay, so we just got another piece of abysmal economic news this morning. Durable goods orders miss the mark. I was going to say by a mile, but like by a light year. Durable goods orders came in at 0.4%. Economists polled predicted a 1.5% gain. You can't make this stuff up if you tried. Again, when you hear the fake propaganda narrative that we're in some kind of a recovery, it's insane. But we got a little truth yesterday from a Fed president who said, we are in trouble here and expect a credit issue moving forward, which means the Fed's got to print, add digits to a screen in unprecedented amounts. Okay. With that said, let's look at the markets. I don't know how many of you were following stock futures overnight, but you want to talk about volatility. Up triple digits, down triple digits, up triple digits, down triple digits. Right now, stock futures are pointing towards a loss at the open, but this volatility is going to continue here in this environment. There's no doubt about it. So just get used to it for a while. I believe we're going to see this at least up until the election. And then we're going to start getting some kind of a leveling off at that particular time. Once the market gets some kind of certainty. And again, you know my take on this. The market is there's no doubt about it. And you could jump and scream and kick. The market is pricing in a Biden win, which would be extremely bullish for the stock market. Extremely bullish. Just like I said, if President Trump won the last election, stocks would skyrocket. I nailed that to the wall. I'm on public record with that. I'm telling you here and now, if Biden wins, stocks are going to rip higher. Period. Expect a debt expansion on an unprecedented scale under Biden, and debt is the only thing supporting the market. Nothing else matters. Economy, we're in free fall. We're in collapse, okay? Yet, even still, stocks are not too far off of their record highs. Let's move forward here. Cryptocurrencies right now are about flat under a little bit of pressure. Silver getting hit again. Gold under a little bit of pressure here. Crude oil down a little bit. The 10-year yield, 0.65. So that is not great. Okay, that means cash is making its way into the debt market. Little fear in the market, which is, I guess, expected here, again, with all this volatility. And the dollar is a little stronger. Again, to be expected with all this volatility. I personally believe with regard to the dollar, I mean, there is no doubt the Fed is going to expand their debt like you have no idea. It's just going to explode. And moving forward, the dollar is at the top of its range right now. Is it going to break out to the upside? I really couldn't tell you. Short term, anything can happen. But longer term, the dollar is in a world of trouble by design. Okay, by design. I think you know that if you follow this blog. All right, anyway. That pretty much sums it up here. So stocks are set for a lower open, but expect volatility. Who knows what it's going to do today? I have no idea. You got, I got an itchy nose, sorry. You got 10-year yield, not looking too good right here. A little fear in this market, again, because of that volatility. Pressure on metals right now, to me, is the buying opportunity of a lifetime, because we know that the central banks have no choice and they want to inflate. They want to buy it all. And to do that, they have to keep printing. And as Rosengren, Fed President Rosengren said yesterday, with a credit issue, a credit freeze on the horizon, the Fed has got to expand the debt on an unprecedented freaking scale. It's going to be Frankensteinish, believe me. All right, look, I'm out of here. Pay attention to these things. Let's see where this all goes, people. Love you a lot. Please share the video.